Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to explain a feature that might be useful for people with visual disabilities, or as we get older. I'm part of that range where we're getting a little more, it's more difficult to read small print and to read screens or read text when the contrast isn't very high. Well, there's a feature that you can use in the settings by going to the ease of access. You will have color filters, that it's called. So the color filters, what they do is actually let you choose different types of scales of visibility or colors to actually make everything better. When you turn on the color filters, you'll immediately see that some of the things change. Right now, I'm in grayscale. That means I don't have any colors. It's like a black and white TV, if you want. Some people need this. It's the only way they can actually work. You can invert colors. You can actually so you see here how the inverted colors look like. You could do a grayscale inverted, which means that where it was light, it's dark, dark, light, and so on. You also have the different types of colors that you can choose: red, green, green, weak, and so on, depending on what you have as a disability. And you can also choose or look at the color scale. I mean, not choose, but choose here in the red green, red weak, or green weak, and so on, blue yellow. It gives you the scale of the different colors used within the color filters, so you can actually make the visibility of the screen a little better if you have some disabilities. There's been a lot of work in the ease of access and the disability side of things in the version 2004 of Windows 10, and also in the past couple of versions. So this helps in actually making something better for everybody to use, and this is very helpful for some. So once again, all you have to do is go to the Settings app, go into your ease of access, and go into color filters to change the way that things are actually being, the colors and the filtering of the colors on the screen while you use your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.